This is a DAF killit. I know I did one of these recently, but Georgia Jim lent me this one, so I figured since he sent it, I would try to get a video for it. So to try to get in, you can use a multi-pick tensioner and just the smaller multi-pick flag. So that's one on the left side. 3. 2, 3, 4 on the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna go back to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So now I'm back on the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yep, and that's the full set. So this is the only way I've been able to do this really is I'm gonna just there we go. So all I did was I just kind of put, I probably just put those in. No, I didn't put them in the keyway. So all I did was I just took my pick back behind them and used the flat side to just do this and just kind of bump them into place while letting off and letting on the tension, and that usually seems to pop sliders. That's my cheater trick for opening them. But that is the DAF killit lent to me by Georgia Jim.